Today I will discuss exchange of respiratory gases. Exchange of respiratory gases. O2 and CO2 are two respiratory gases which are very important. So here we discuss about exchange of O2 and CO2. As we know that exchange process depends on concentration gradient. So it depends on concentration gradient. And diffusion. Diffusion is a process through which movement of gases occurs due to concentration gradient. Concentration gradient is also known as difference in concentration. Difference in concentration. If we consider two vessels A and B, this is vessel A and this is vessel B. If partial pressure of oxygen here is 40 mm of Hg and in vessel B partial pressure of oxygen is 60 mm of Hg, movement of gases or movement of oxygen takes place from B to A because concentration of oxygen in vessel B is more than concentration of oxygen in vessel A. This is the basic mechanism or events through which gaseous exchange takes place. So, what is diffusing capacity? What is diffusing capacity? Diffusing capacity means it is very important to know about diffusing capacity. So, diffusing capacity is the volume of gas which can be diffused through respiratory membrane per minute, where pressure difference is 1 mm of Hg. So, for defining diffusing capacity, it is very important that pressure gradient must be 1 mm of Hg. Second is presence of respiratory membrane. Presence of respiratory membrane. Respiratory membrane is a membranous structure through which gaseous exchange takes place, and this is thin. That's why it facilitates the diffusion across it. Now, respiratory membrane, one side it contains capillary endothelium, and other side it contains alveolar epithelium. And alveoli consists of two type of cells, first and second. And second alveolar cell secretes surfactant and fluid also. So respiratory membrane includes surfactant, alveolar surfactant and alveolar fluids also, and between this interstitial space and basement membrane is found. So diffusing capacity is defined as volume of gas which can be diffused through respiratory membrane when pressure gradient is 1 mm of Hg and it is measured in 1 minute. So this is about diffusing capacity. Now next point is what should be the direction of diffusion for oxygen. So direction, it is very important point. Direction of diffusion for oxygen is firstly atmospheric air, then it goes into alveoli, then blood capillaries, and then tissues or cell. Here we can easily understand that the concentration of oxygen in atmospheric air is maximum. In alveoli, concentration is more than blood capillaries but less than atmospheric air. In blood capillaries, concentration of oxygen is less than alveoli and more than tissues. So this is the direction of diffusion for oxygen from air to alveoli to blood capillaries and to cell or tissues, because oxygen is nutrients, acts like a nutrients for cell. So need of cell is oxygen and that is fulfilled by this method. So respiration is a vital process through which every cell get its nutrients like oxygen. Now next is what should be the direction of CO2 for direction of diffusion for CO2. Direction of diffusion for CO2, carbon dioxide. It is maximum in tissues because it is formed as a waste product during metabolism. From tissues it reaches up to blood capillaries. Blood capillaries, from here it reaches up to alveoli and lastly it is expelled and it goes outside from body to atmospheric air. So this is the direction for diffusion in case of carbon dioxide. So CO2 concentration is maximum in tissues, then blood capillaries, then alveoli, lastly atmospheric air. So this is about the diffusion of O2 and CO2, and this diffusion is based on concentration gradient or partial pressure of oxygen and CO2 of tissues, of blood capillaries, of alveoli and atmospheric air. So the basic mechanism is the concentration gradient or diffusion. This is the way to which CO2 comes from tissues and expelled from human body to atmospheric air.